Hello, may sample problem ulit tayo under numerical ability. We are asked, a square and a rectangle have equal areas. If the rectangle is 36 by 16 in dimensions niya, what is a side of a square? Hinahanap sa atin yung side ng square na ang area ay kaparehas daw ng sa rectangle. Na ito ang dimensions. So, sulat natin yon. The area of the rectangle is 36 by 16 in dimensions niya. So, mamaya simplify natin yan para malaman natin yung area mismo ng rectangle. I use this symbol para lang malaman natin na area of a rectangle. You can use any other symbols or variables if you like. Simplify natin. Ano nga ba yung 36 by 16? Simple multiplication problem. Let's do it manually on the side. It's 36. This is 18 plus 3 will give you 21. And of course, 1 multiplied by any number is just the number itself. So, let mo na lang yung 36. Add yan. Addition. And I'm sorry, hindi ko ma-set yung plus sign. Yan. So, 6, 7, and then 2 plus 3 will give you 5. Meron kang 576 na area ng rectangle. What else do we know? Hinahanap sa atin yung side ng square na alam na natin na ito rin ang area kasi yun yung first premise. A square and a rectangle have equal areas. So, kung ano man yung side ng square, sigurado na tayo na ang area niya is 576 din. And what do we know about area of a square? Ang area kasi ng square, masasolve mo kapag minultiply mo yung length ng side by itself. Is essentially S squared. Alam natin yung area ng square na to. Ang hindi natin alam ay yung kanyang side. So now you have an equation na kailangan mong i-simplify. S squared is 576. Solving the value of S would give you the answer to the question, what is a side of a given square? Ang problema natin, sa civil service exam, of course, wala tayong calculator na magagamit. How on earth are we going to find the square root of 576? Kasi yun yung next part dito, next step dito. To solve for S, you need to undo this. Undoing the exponent is 2 would require you to extract the square root on both sides. Yun lang yung paraan para makancel yung exponent na 2 kay S. So, kung ano man ang square root ni 576, yun yung final answer. Pero again, sabi ko nga, wala tayong calculator sa exams eh. So, paano yun? Ang strategy dyan is to take advantage of the options. Meron tayong 5 pamimilian. Siguradong isa dyan ang tamang sagot. Imbis na hanapin manually kung ano ang square root ni 576, there's a way to do that. Kung kaya mong gawin yun, by all means, go. Kung mas mabilis yun para sa'yo, do it. Pero, ano kung hindi? Wala kang ibang paraan. Take advantage of the options. Isa-isahin mo ngayon. Alin sa mga sumusunod, yung pag minultiply mo sa sarili would give you 576 because essentially that's the idea here. Square root of 576 is asking anong number yung pag minultiply sa sarili ay magiging 576. Because remember, yun yung idea ng exponent na 2. You know, number multiplied by itself. Yun din ang ibig sabihin yan. So, yun yung tinatanong ni square root of 576. Isa-isahin natin ngayon yung option. The only way to do that is to do it manually. Again, wala kasi tayong calculator. So, what is 24 times 24? Hopefully, mahanap natin agad yung tamang sagot. This is 16. 8 plus 1 magiging 9. Scroll down natin a little. Then, meron ka pang 2 times 4 which is 8. 2 times 2 which is 4. Add mo ngayon yan. This is 6. 9 plus 18 is already 7. And look at that. Mapalad tayo. Mabilis nating nahanap yung tamang sagot. Ibig sabihin, the square root of 576 is 24. Yan yung number na pag minultiply sa sarili, magiging 576. Means, ang tamang sagot is, of course, the first option. Yan yung naging approach natin dito. Ina-analyze yung problem, tinulat yung statements, translate rather into equations, tsaka natin nahanap yung dapat na mahanap. Particular na problem na to, nag-take advantage ako sa options. So, may mga pagkakataon na baka yun din ang mas mabilis at mas epektibong paraan para sa'yo. Hopefully, nakatulong itong video na ito.